Tomorrow will mark 2 years since the first case of COVID-19 was detected in the state. And looking at the overall numbers since then, nearly 825,000 cases have been recorded, and nearly 10,900 Arkansans have died from this virus. Now, that first positive COVID case in Arkansas was at Jefferson Regional Medical Center in Pine Bluff.
Yeah, that was reported on March 11th of 2020, and that's when the work began for hospitals all over the state. Our Jessica Rank went to UAMS earlier today, where they have definitely seen a large number of COVID cases in the past 2 years.
Inside UAMS doors, Elizabeth Sullivan walks the halls of the ICU.
We've actually seen just such a drastic drop. It's really been great.
Today, 6 patients battle COVID-19. Sullivan says it's the light at the end of a long journey.
There was so much unknown.
Rewind to March 11th, 2020.
We're calling it presumptive positive until we have confirmation from the CDC lab.
The state's first COVID-19 case.
We were obviously very concerned, not knowing how many patients, not knowing if we would be having the same degree of inundation of the healthcare system that was being seen in other parts of the world.
Questions circulated with very few answers, and UAMS did their best to respond as cases ticked up.
We built all this excess capacity. We built surge beds. We changed our staffing models.
A first surge and a second, but UAMS says by the third,
It was pure exhaustion. It was almost a feeling of defeat.
Omicron brought hospital numbers up into the triple digits at UAMS, and fatigue started to set in.
You know, one of those things where you come in every single day and you do everything you possibly can for your patient, and sometimes it's just not enough.
Nurses took a hit, but the ones that stuck around banded together.
We had walkie-talkies, baby monitors, everything we needed to care for those patients.
A duty to their coworkers and those in beds, all leading up to this moment.
You would have never been able to walk through this unit for sure.
A once busy floor now sits quiet.
I think that everybody here rose to the challenge, and they really have come out victorious.
Well, looking back on the last 2 years, staff there say it proves how resilient the healthcare system is. And while they're happy to see the numbers go down, they say they are ready for any possible surge in the future.